Welcome everyone to HueFin, where we trade different, your trusted source of news according to the price chart. Today is December the 15th, 2019. We're going to talk about XRP and this one technical indicator that is trying to signal that XRP may be on the verge of a massive move. This was an article that was just posted to the internet today, December the 15th, 2019. As always, we're going to certify that what we're getting on this article is in fact translating over to the price chart, because if so, then the article is true. If not, the article is false. Simple, right? If this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. Join us on our Twitter page, Facebook page, Instagram, our website, HueFinancial.com. Guess what? I made it simple for each and every one of you. The link is going to be in the description of the video. Subscribe to either of those social media websites and definitely follow us, because those will be the locations that we would be placing our forecast price movement in the cryptocurrency space. All right, so now we did our last update in XRP on the 11th of December. So we're going to talk about that after we get done looking at this video. Look at the result from the price action versus our anticipation to the market. And then we give you our forecast going forward for XRP. So now let's dive right on into it. So Cole Peterson is saying that there is an indicator. As you all know, if you guys been followers for a while, we don't follow indicators. We don't trust indicators and patterns. We just simply look at price bars and volume to determine the likely movement of the cryptocurrency space. Now, XRP has been trading sideways, that it may soon come to an end. This is what the article is reading. There is one well-respected technical indicator that is pointing to the possibility. If it's well-respected, then why are you telling me it's a possibility that a massive movement is incoming, is imminent? The next XRP movement may favor the bulls, but macro outlook remains grim. This is one section of words that is not giving you any timing. That's one of the hardest things in trading, is the timing aspect of the market. So you're telling us that the next XRP movement may favor the bulls, but the overall outlook of XRP remains grim. While looking at XRP weekly price action, the cryptocurrency has seen a notable sell-off that has sent it down from highs of nearly 24 cents. Okay. Currently, it does appear that XRP is close to making a major movement, although it remains unclear as to whether it will favor buyers or the sellers. Now, that doesn't make any sense. These articles are so ridiculous. It doesn't make any sense as to, a major movement is coming, but then you tell us, or you write to us, that you're not sure whether or not it's for buyers or sellers, when just previously you just said in this section right here, the next XRP movement may favor the bulls. And then you are being indecisive in your own article, because you're telling us that you are unclear. And then they break it down to some crypto analysts on Twitter. Big Cheds, this is what he wrote. XRP Ripple daily BBs, Bollinger Bands, have not been this tight since March, also known as volatility coming. This was on the 13th of December, and here we are today. We're not getting that much volatility. 2 days in, and we're not seeing volatility entering the market for XRP. Is this what this article is trying to insinuate is the technical indicator that is telling us that XRP is on the verge of a massive movement? It's because of Bollinger Bands? Is this what is respected in the technical analysis field? Bollinger Bands? And here we are 2 days in, and the market is not reacting to that indicator. That's one reason why we don't follow it. and or use it. We have someone else, another popular, according to this article, another popular cryptocurrency analyst on Twitter, Cryptomer, explained in a tweet from last week that XRP has found notable buying pressure around 21 cents. What is notable? What is he talking about? With this buying pressure in this level, potentially sparking a short-term uptrend that sends XRP up to 25 cents. That would be a massive move. Now, this was on December the 6th that this tweet came out. And you guys can see on this price chart that it was right here when that tweet came out in the market for XRP. And he was looking forward to hit 25 cents, but it only came up here to a high of about 23.5, 2 days following that tweet. So I don't think that tweet is still relevant right now. Buying interest kicked in around 21 cents. A bounce to 25 seems reasonable. I don't know if he's still expecting that to occur. If XRP catches on fire, maybe a retest of about 28.5 cents is gapped down hard. Here is the 12-hour VPVR. Don't know what that is. And HTF fib retracement levels on the log scale. Seems to me like he has a lot of confusion going on his price chart. A lot of technical jargon that does not translate well into what he was forecasting. He's looking for the market to hit 25 cents, 28.5 cents if XRP catches fire. And here we are on the 15th, and neither one of those things has occurred. And he's using all of this information, all of this on his price chart, and he's not even close to what has been expected of XRP. Okay, one reason. This is just another example of many as to why technical indicators patterns do not work. So now let's talk about XRP and our forecast into the market for this coin. Like I said, the last time we did our video for XRP was right here on the 11th of December. And on that video, we were expecting the market in XRP to move higher. We had a TP at 22.5 cents, and the market came close right up here to 22 and a third. Not 22.5 cents though. But nevertheless, you can tell that the volume in XRP is not coming in. This is just another indication as to, yes, we are breaking below our overall support area from that video, which is why we don't utilize stop losses. Market instead wanted to find support at 21.5. So we got that support area slightly off track. That was it. But what we're noticing on the daily time frame is literally continuing to show us that with the lacks of volume, with the lacks of volatility, and with the indication of strength coming into the market for XRP, we are inclined to keep our original price forecast the same in XRP. Okay. Take a real quick look here on the weekly time frame in XRP. The volume is not there. I mean, last 3 weeks we saw a healthy amount of volume. This current week we're not getting it at all. So this upcoming work week could be a pretty good indication of a move higher for this cryptocurrency. Okay. A lot of people I know are expecting XRP to go into the teens, like 13 cents, 15 cents. Currently, I'm not necessarily seeing that. We're going to keep our original price target the way that we have it. We're not going to change it. I'm just going to extend it out a little bit further, and our TP still stands the same at 22.5 cents. Okay, we would TP the market in XRP at that level, which will be about 1.36%, which is not much. But again, that's only under the perception that weakness enters the market at that price level. If we don't see weakness there, then we're going to continue to allow the market in XRP continue to ride. Okay, so this is it. That indicator is not really panning out right now. But according to the price chart of this video, we're still seeing some indication that the market in XRP is going to try to make a move higher 22.5 cents, maybe up there to around 23.5 is where we're looking for the market in XRP to go. All right, so let us know with a comment in the comment section of this video what you think XRP is going to do. Do you think it's going to go down into the teens in trade? Do you think it's going to move higher? If so, how high do you think XRP is going to go? Make sure you always maintain profitability, and as always, I will see you on the next one.